Hi, I'm Tavia Nyong'o, and this is my reflection on a map at 20. It will take me a lifetime to grapple with the insight Dionne Brand makes in A Map to the Door of No Return, which is the insight that there is no route to the door of no return. There is no path to discover, no location to return to, and the truth of unbearable loss that the name Door of No Return testifies to is not a truth that belongs to the order of known and verifiable things. It is a truth in surplus of the evidentiary, but also a truth of those who have been refused by the evidentiary, a truth of the stolen, shipped, and travestied life that is exorbitant of historical narration. What A Map to the Door of No Return gives us is a truth of the Middle Passage as an ongoing ordeal of epigenetic trauma for a diaspora struggling hard to recognize itself as being held together in complex relation. It will take me a lifetime to reckon the impact of Brand's contribution to this collective holding, because her notes on belonging contribute to a preciously small inventory of language we have for bearing this unbearable truth of loss and wandering and carrying it with us into our shared future. As a book, A Map to the Door of No Return opens with a promise held in breach to name a family connection to Africa that would open a route of return. But no family line, whether ethnic or genetic, will be discovered to relink the diaspora with Africa. Africa cannot be returned to, least of all by we Africans who can only hope to make something of the family silences and ghost stories we have inherited, and to contribute that something to the vibrant and mapless territories where we find our soul sisters and brothers, like Dionne Brand. To imagine Dionne Brand's poem being read and circulating in Africa is a beautiful and a terrible thing, terrible because of its beauty, and for that reason necessary in this moment. Insofar as our own lands are mapped, those maps have become violent territorializations of the earth, the legacy of colonial and post-colonial masters of many shades. We can therefore learn much from Brand's conclusion that after the door of no return, a map was only a set of impossibilities. To travel without a map, she writes, to travel without a way, they did long ago. That misdirection became the way. Let us learn from them and from her to let misdirection be the way in which we find each other. Thank you.